there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
What are you going to do if you was late for the bus and you stuck in the small town early in the morning?
Hello.
Good morning. Hello to everybody. At 8 o'clock in the morning, we were waiting for our bus to Oxford and found this lovely cafe in Brackley.
Sausage step in the bread, and they round it, and they make it to be them.
Great. Do you like?
Yeah.
In Brackley at 8 o'clock, all places are closed except this lovely Brackley traditional family bakery. They open every day except Sunday at 7:30 a.m. But the people who work there started their work after midnight in order in the morning their client have fresh bakery. Very nice bread. Fresh. So you told that told that you start your work at night?
Sorry?
You start your work at night?
Yeah, 12 o'clock.
Yeah. Wow. So you don't sleep?
No, not a lot, no.
Wow. Yeah. Hard job. This bakery sell bread, different fresh things, eggs even, and everything is not so expensive as in another coffee shops. So be inside of this beautiful shop, yeah. And this is Maribike, yeah, one of the owner of this shop, and she would like to tell about the products that they have. They have very fresh bread and different bakery. So you have bread here?
Yes, yeah.
Fresh eggs?
Fresh, yeah.
Yeah. You take this egg from farmers?
Local farmers.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
they
Free range
from the
egg, yeah.
chicken and fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have many cakes here as well.
Yeah, we do them all in the shop, yeah, as well.
Yeah. So
And
very
fresh,
nice.
field rolls and
We are lucky that they came here because here everything is closed, you know. Marianchik, did you got cookies from cafe? Yeah. By the way, my mom was doing portrait of one gentleman in the coffee shop.
Michael, look! The lady draw you! Wow! Beautiful! Can he have it?
So you always welcome here to Brackley for this wonderful shop. It's really not so easy to keep successful business, but if you have a good idea and your products are useful for people, you can get the best result and have happy people around.